How to create flowchart in Google Docs. Click on Insert at the top and choose Drawing over here and click on New. From over here you want to click on Shapes and click on Shape and choose whichever shape you want. You can create a shape, then you can click on the shape icon again and you can choose whichever shape you want again. So I'm just gonna go for a rectangle. I'm going to do that. Again, I'm going to do the same. I'm gonna choose another shape and create the shape over here. And once you're done with all the shapes you want, what you can do is basically click on this option and a line will be created. So you can just drag it and create a line and you can join the flow charts just like this. Now you can click on save and close and it's going to be added over here. You can make it large by zooming in on it like this as well. So that's how you guys can create flow chart in Google Docs. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And you can also click on this three dot, click on all image option, click on size and rotation and just make sure this is tick marked. Click on text wrapping and over here you can choose behind the text and click on move with the text and click on fixed position on page. Now you can zoom in anywhere you want just like this. Hope you understand. Do that and subscribe to our channel.